Good evening, good morning, team. Anyone joined from abroad? Hi, Abhilash. Hi, Bhanupriya, Chaitanya, Daniel. Hi, Manikanta. Hi, Pavan, Pratap, Ramakrishna, Sagar. So, guys, please change with your name. Someone joined with the Samsung, iPhone, Vivo. I'm not able to see any other models phones. So it will be easy for me to just speak with you. Yeah. So we'll start session in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone have a questions, we can discuss as a casual talk.
Hey Mahesh, hey everyone.
Yeah,
Good
hi.
evening, guys.
Thanks for joining. Guys, any questions?
Hi, Mahesh Pavan here.
Yeah.
So this is my first class of Power Platform. I
Yeah.
hope this is
Okay.
so. This is the which uh, I think Sucharita pinged me to join this one. So
Okay, great.
I'm new to the
Yeah.
Power Platform.
It's a completely new class only today. Today onwards, there is a next 5 days. It's a completely free. It's not a demo classes. Today only the demo. Tomorrow onwards, it's a regular topic only. But still 5 classes you can able to check it. The way of teaching and the classes quality and the content what we are providing. Everything you can check and do some research. Compare with some other organizations also. Once you are feel comfortable, then you can continue the course. So technical things, everything, Indrajit Singh will take care. And apart from technical things, I will explain you. The course total duration will go for around 4.5 months at 80 to 90 lectures, technical classes. Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio. And along with this, some Dynamic 365 and SharePoint integrations, which is relevant to Power Platform. All together, it will go for at least 90 classes. That
Okay.
means 4 months nearly. Okay. In these 4 months, you can able to become a Power Platform developer, and proudly you can mention at least 3 years experience you can showcase. You have that much knowledge we are going to be delivering. You can mention I am a 3 years using a Power Platform. That much knowledge we are going to be delivering next 4 months of the course. The good thing will be we are providing Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate license. You will get an email ID pavan@ksr.com. This domain LED will activate with a Power BI premium license for 2 months and Power Apps, Power Automate license for 10 months. Total 1 year, you will get a Power Platform credentials and a license to practice all real-time case studies and scenarios. I can say these credentials no one is providing in India currently, in institution.
So I have one question. So
Yes,
you give the license for Power BI for
Power
2 months,
Apps, Power Automate, Power BI premium will be 2 months, Pro will be 10 months.
10 months. On other about Power Apps and all
Those
will be
are
10
the
months.
1 year you will get.
Okay. So
Premium
every
only 2 months.
okay. Premium in the sense you get other additional features.
Actually, the
Maybe.
premium version required only for Power BI developer. That too, 10% people, even 90% Power BI developers also will use only Pro. Even if anyone working here in Power BI, I'm sure they are using only Pro in their real-time projects.
Yeah. Sorry, I missed your name. May I know your good name?
Mahesh Pavan.
Yeah, Mahesh. Sorry, Mahesh. I'm actually into SAP BO, and we are migrated from Power BI. So currently
Mm-hmm.
into Power BI with the Power Platform and Fabrics.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'm using with Fabrics and Lycos. So I am to use now the Power Platform with my having data events which are coming from the SSMS. So
Mm-hmm.
those are the reasons I need to be certified in those. So I am looking
Mm.
uh, sooner to get uh, to to get this course soon as possible.
Yes, yes. So you want to make even less than 4 months, what I can suggest you, I will send you even old batch record also. Or else there is one more batch is going in the morning around 30 or 40% completed. You can join parallel courses so that you can able to finish little early. But regular course will be, it will go in a normal way. We can't handle any fast track courses, Pawan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. In
Mahesh,
the
are we
certification.
covering Copilot here?
Yes, that's a reason we call it a Copilot is going to be covered.
Okay. So we are integrating with the Copilot in Power
Yes,
Platform.
yes, yes, exactly.
This is Selvan here. Question
Yes,
here
sir.
is, does it going to cover any generative AI, something like that stuff?
Generative AI, that is a different. Nowadays, everyone is saying AI, but AI is a different topic. Here, Copilot will be considered as a AI.
Okay.
That AI part will be the names, maybe sometimes we'll call the Copilot here in the Power Platform point of view. How the AI tools will help to make your Power BI reports in better way, and how to make this automation, and how to build even application by giving small prompt also. Trainer going to be explained in real-time case studies. AI is just covering in this, but platform point of view.
So do we have
Yeah.
anything in the
Can
kind
I,
of
Mahesh, take this question
Yes,
AI
yes,
related?
yes. Better you
Yeah.
can.
Yeah, Selvan. So look, generative AI, generative AI, agentic AI, these are the buzzword nowadays, right? Everyone will ask you all these things, whether you worked on this or not. So in Copilot, you are leveraging the feature of generative AI. Okay. What is generative AI? What do you understand by generative AI? Selvan, any example that you can tell me for Gen AI?
there can be artificial way of reasoning will be there based on the questions which is given, so that it will answer up.
Can I say a very real-time example that you're using in your
Chatbot
day-to-day
kind
life
of
is ChatGPT?
chatbot kind of a stuff it is.
ChatGPT is generative AI as per you?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Right? So what is happening behind the scenes for ChatGPT? Again, I will not go into that much detail, then it will take 20 minutes here. So there are some LLM
Okay.
models which are running behind the scenes, right?
LLM
So
model.
GPT 4.1, 5.1, and 3, all that. So
Okay.
all those models you can leverage in Copilot Studio. Okay. And when it comes to agentic AI is what? Like agent will perform the artificial
One
intelligence
to
stuff
one,
for you.
it will be multiple generative is connected with agentic AI comes in picture. Case of
Yes. Yeah. So we will be covering that. Whatever is required for Power Platform. I will not say like I will go ahead and I will teach you how to create LLM models and all, right? So that is very wrong expectation that I might be setting here. So whatever is required to be a Power Platform, not developer, I would say, to be a Power Platform architect, to become self-sufficient to do your job, you will get everything here at as a one-stop solution.
good. Good.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
one more thing. I'm not sure your name. Can I have your name, please?
Indrajit, it
Indrajit.
is. Yeah.
Okay. Indrajit, question is, as you and you will be providing the recorded session as well, right? That is
Yeah,
for how.
definitely. So basically, today's session, let me start the content. All these things only I will be covering, like what we will be covering, who we are, where we can help you in your career, what are the topics that we are gonna cover, what are the modules and all. So all these questions will be answered once I will start the content.
Super.
If you have anything related to your career, like you are transitioning something, you have some career gap and all. So for all those questions, you can ask Mahesh. He's an expert in all those stuff in career counseling. So anything related to that, you can ask to Mahesh. If you have the question, what will be covered and all. So I am here for that. Today, the session is only to lay out the foundation. Okay.
Got it. Thank.
Cool, guys. If anyone has any career related question, please go ahead and ask. Mahesh is here.
Okay, sorry. One question is that any for interview preparation questions answers, do we get anything like
Yeah.
that here?
So
Any
now,
soft copy?
yes, I will come to that point. And we are conducting every batch as an interview question separate. And also we have in our YouTube channel also more than 300 interview questions. And every time we will redefine that one. We will collect the questions from our students and we will make as a YouTube content and we will discuss in your class also. And apart from this, we developed in a tool called Clear My Interview. It's a completely developed by KSR team. I will show you how it works. Just give me a second. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, you can see it's Clear My Interview. Okay, this is the tool, guys. You can able to see. Let me turn off my camera. Maybe we'll get disturbed here. Just give me a second. Okay. So hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, Mahesh, it
Yes,
is
sir.
visible. You
So
can go
this
ahead.
tool will be, we developed from last 2 years onwards. KSR team is working on it to make it in a better tool. Compared to your mentor and me, it will give you a personal coach. Each and question it will predict and it will give you shoot the question and it will give the answer also. And it will give the feedback, what kind of answer you given, how to make even better, it will give. As of now, we are making around 42% of the interview questions what going to be getting tomorrow interview. Okay. Example, you have a company's JD and easily we can able to predict those questions. Let me explain you here. If you are first time, you have to log in, you have to sign up your account. You can give your email ID and name and everything. So you can able to use this one. Okay. And I do have an account already. Let me go and log in. Anyone have a resume of Power Platform now? We can able to analyze your resume and you can compare with the any company's JD. Example, I will go with the Naukri and open any Power Platform related job. Okay, it's a Power Platform developer, 4 to 9 years experience, right? Take this company's JD. Okay, I am copying here. Upload resume. I will upload some random resume. Maybe I have Power BI, data engineering, data science, multiple kind of students resume is there. I am picking some random. It may Power Platform, may not. Okay. Analyze resume. Power Apps developer. Keep it JD and submit. Looks like it's a data engineering resume. It will show maximum mismatching skills. It takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute maximum to analyze entire resume and it will give the feedback to you. You can see only that Power BI because data analysts also have some matching skills. He knows some little bit Power BI and Power Automation. Earlier he worked with the Power Automate. That's the reason it's showing matching skills in his resume. But other Canvas apps, DAX queries, Dataverse, measures, all these are not mismatching. Example, your friend is having opening in his company and he had shared a JD. You can check your compatibility and then you can modify the resume and you can share with them. You can see here ATS score it's giving compatibility means depends on the JD, your resume, how much compatibility is there. Okay. You can see skill gap analysis. It looks like it's a data engineering resume is clearly mentioned, not Power Platform related. Okay. And apart from that, you can do the interview practice. Anyone here for who are working on Power BI guys already?
Yes, Mahesh.
Yes, Mesh.
DAX, you are confident?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's give a try. Okay. I'm starting test. It will turn on your camera also. You can download your video later. Let's make this.
Explain the difference between calculate and filter functions in DAX, and provide a scenario where you would prefer using calculate over filter.
Anyone able to answer this? Guys, anyone ready?
Calculate is to convert the row context to the filter context, and
Let's
the
try.
filter
I'm not
function
sure
we
it's a
use to
one
filter the
second.
data.
1 second, Srinivas. I'm not sure it may capture your voice or not, but we'll give it a try and I will start record answer and you can start the answer.
Mesh, I can answer this one.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, filter between filter and calculate. Filter returns a table that is a subset of another table or expression, and calculate evaluates expression in a filter context. So that is where we need to use a row transitions can happen in using calculate. Yeah, that's it from my end.
Okay. It's to process this question and it will should prepare for the second question. I will submit with one question only for now. I don't want to kill your time and Indra's time. And we have 5 more days. We will discuss about that still more in our last class also. I'm submitting. It will shoot second question, but now I will submit directly. Okay. You can download your video and you can see your view report. Click on view report. Check guys. What question system asked you and what is your answer? And your evaluation, it's given 65 as a score. Feedback. The candidate demonstrated a basic understanding of the difference between calculate and filter. Okay, you can see it's giving the answer. The answer need more elaboration on how calculate, modify the filters and context, why, which is advantage. So all these things is expecting little more answer for that. Recommendation. Study and specific example of calculate and filter and focusing calculate values. It's giving even feedback and recommendation. Honestly, any human can't give each and question feedback to you. Even if I'm or else Indra is taking a mock entry with you, he also can't give each and question. Overall, we can able to give the feedback. And you no need to be depend on someone else. You just simply stay at home at a room alone. You can take the mock interview multiple times. It will give confidence to you while going for actual interview. Imagine guys, if you are practicing 10 interviews here, for sure you will clear the interview. Right?
So Utkarsh this side. I just want to know that someone who has already taking your paid classes has anything extra in this, or
Yeah.
it's for
So
everyone?
it's a cost actually 2000 rupees, but who are KSR students, they will get at this price.
Okay, KSR
Only for
students.
KSR students. So outsiders, it should be like a 1999, but KSR students, that 19 we are reducing, it's 199, 200 rupees. That means.
Could you please repeat what you said?
Okay, this tool will be costing around 2000 rupees in Indian currency for outsiders of the KSR students. If anyone already KSR student, they will get at this price, 199 Indian rupees. That means hardly, I guess $250 or $200, sorry, $2 or something.
That's for how many months it is then?
It's not about months, it's about the interviews. 50 mock interviews, 20 times you can do resume analysis, and you can do 50 interview test, separate one-on-one test, and 100 mock interview questions. This aptitude also is there. Maybe it's helpful for freshers, not you guys. So that means this interview practice will be 50 interview questions. Yeah, it's done. It will be expired. We need to buy again, upgrade plan.
And also I see like in the
We
brochure.
have a technical interview, behavioral interview, both together. It's a 50 interviews you can attend. Each interview, it will ask 10 questions. 10 to 11 questions around.
I have seen in the brochure like many got placed actually in the companies. So is there any placement training? Nothing like that, right?
Yeah, interview point of view, we can able to do all the things, and we will conduct even workshops on the interview questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. So thank you, Mahesh.
I lost you guys. Sorry, I lost you.
No, one was saying something. I was taking over.
Okay.
Yes. Thanks, Mahesh, for this demonstration. And I hope, guys, you have got a good idea around the stuff like what we are providing here. So other than that, like there are a lot of things that we are providing. So now I will take over and I will try to give you introduction about the course, and then you can go ahead and ask more questions at the end of the session. Okay.
Yes.
So
Thanks, Indra.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mahesh. I'm sharing my screen, guys. Do let me know once you guys are able to see it. So this you can consider as day 0 of your course, where we will discuss about what is Power Platform, where we will be helping you. You guys can go ahead and ask me any question like what is my experience, or like how we will be going ahead and approaching in the classes, what are the modules and all. Okay, so let's get started. I hope my screen is visible, guys, and I am audible properly to each one of you.
Yes.
Okay. And just one thumb rule of the class, like I want proper acknowledgement from all of you whenever like I'm explaining something. You should acknowledge like whether you guys are getting it or not, so that we are avoiding the last minute surprises where I have explained everything and you have some doubt. Okay. So if you are not getting anything, go ahead and let me know in between itself. Okay. Make sense? Communication, guys.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
You will enjoy it for sure. Okay, so guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. This is the day 0, or you can say the first free preview session of the Power Platform batch. Okay, so today we will discuss like who I am, then we will discuss about Power Platform, what is Power Platform and all. So first thing first, I will start with my introduction. Okay, so it is very important to understand like the guy who is taking your sessions, like what experience do I hold, who I am, right? So guys, my name is Indrajit Singh. I have around 6+ years of experience in IT industry. And the good part is my all experience is relevant into Power Platform and Dynamics CRM. So currently I'm working as a solution architect in a techno-functional role where I manage the projects from end to end, right from interacting with client to delivering it to the client. Okay. So I have expertise in Microsoft product. I have some experience in data engineering also. I did few projects on that. I'm a certified developer as well as trainer. I have expertise in working with clients from different domains, let it be banking, healthcare, automobile, food and beverages, and lot of stuff. So currently, like I'm working at Striker and I'm associated with KSR Data Vision as a mentor from long back. And I have around 3 years of training experience in both online and offline classes. So this is all about me, guys. So now we will go ahead and I will go ahead and I will tell you what is Power Platform. Is there anyone in the class who can explain me what is Power Platform? What do you understand with the term when I say Power Platform?
Full stack of Power, Microsoft Power, kind of like a full stack.
Stack of Microsoft Power Platform. Okay. So if I like after this class, you should give a crisp definition of Power Platform. Okay. So even if like suppose if you are what to say, if you are eldest member in your family and you suppose your child is saying like what you are working on, and even if your mother is saying you what you are working on, you should be able to told them like this is what we work, this is the kind of problem that we solve. Okay, so as of now, guys, can someone tell me like there is a product from Microsoft called as Office 365. Have you seen this product?
Yes.
Yes, in the
Yes.
company we
Yes,
use.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, what are
Yes.
the sub products in this?
Excel, Word, PowerPoint.
You have Excel, you have Word, you have PowerPoint,
Power,
Teams.
you
plat-
have
Power
Teams and
Platform.
all that,
Okay.
right? So on.
Mm.
So every sub product is solving a different problem, isn't it? Excel is for analytics, right? Word is for
Yes.
documentation. PowerPoint is for presentation, isn't it? Notepad is to take plain notes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Similarly, Teams is solving the problem of communication, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
And this product is from which organization, guys?
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Microsoft? Very
Yeah.
good.
Yes.
So Microsoft has created this product from long back. I think right now it's a part of Windows, right? If you will go ahead and buy a Windows system which has out of the box Windows, Office 365 things comes like out of the box, right? Correct, guys? If you
Yes.
buy a system with genuine Windows.
That's correct.
Okay. So similarly, now Microsoft realized like they should go ahead and they should expand their business in low code, no code. Okay, low code, no code market. Low code, no code market. Okay.
Okay.
Low code, no code market. These are called as citizen, I would say citizen development, where like people with less expertise into coding knowledges and all, they can go ahead, they can create the applications, end-to-end applications with the help of writing little code or even no code, like with drag and drop functionalities. Okay. So for low code, no code market, they introduced a tech stack called as Power Platform. As the name says, Power Platform, right? So it will have multiple sub products, isn't it? So first product which is there in Power Platform is called as Power BI. Okay. Then you have Power Apps. Then you have Power Pages, right? Then you have what is next thing, guys? Power
Power Automate.
Automate, right?
Automate.
And the last thing is Copilot Studio. So now I will go ahead and write one word for each product, which problem they are solving. Power BI is solving which problem, guys?
Data
Data
visualization.
analytics.
Data visualization.
With the help of visualization, you will be able to understand the analytics, right? Can we
Yes.
say that?
Yes.
Power Apps is responsible for creating applications, right? Business applications, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Business apps. Power Pages is responsible for creating websites,
Sites.
right? Power Automate is responsible for creating automations.
Automations.
Copilot is responsible for creating agents or chatbots, right? Now, guys, think of any business around you. Any business. It can be anything. What a business requires. It requires an application. It requires a website. It requires automation. It requires agent. It requires Power BI, right? Let's think about KSR only. All of you are sitting in KSR now, right? So we have our website. Correct, guys? We have
Yes.
our application. We are automatically sending invites to the people. We will send you the emails once the class is cancelled, right? If the class is rescheduled, right, guys?
Agreed.
Even the most used thing that you're using day in day out, your bank accounts, right? Right, guys? HDFC.com. Suppose you have HDFC bank account. So in HDFC, when you are doing any transaction, you are getting automated emails, right? Are you? Are you getting automated emails, guys?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
Yes.
so that
Yes.
is what? That is automation, right?
Yeah.
And even like when you will go to the HDFC website, there will be an agent called as EVA, right? Have you seen that?
Yes.
So that is Copilot Studio. Okay. So what I mean to say, like any application that you see around you that needs all this pillar, right? These are the pillars, isn't it? Which will help you create a sustainable product. Guys, very less response I'm getting. What's the
Yes.
issue?
Yes.
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 Come on. Okay. So these are the 5 products which are there in Power Platform. You can say Power BI, Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, and Copilot Studio. So now they are further bifurcated into multiple types. Power BI, Power Apps are divided into Canvas apps, model-driven apps, right? Okay, some background noise is coming from someone's end, guys. Please be aware about your mics. Okay. Then there are cloud flows and desktop flows. Now, guys, what are Canvas app? Canvas apps are UI focused app. I will tell you one word and we will be having dedicated module. UI focused means like you have complete control over the UI. Like whatever you may think in your mind, like my app should look like this, you can go ahead and create UI like that. Okay. In model driven app, you can't have customized UI. Here, these are data driven app. If your focus is data, then you will go ahead and create model driven app. Cloud flows, guys. When I say cloud, can you tell me some cloud services, guys?
Azure, AWS.
Google,
Azure,
GCP,
AWS. These are cloud providers, guys. Azure, GCP, AWS. These are cloud providers.
S3 bucket. These are Lambda
No,
in
not those
AWS.
services. I would say cloud solutions. Let me change the question.
Okay.
SharePoint is a cloud solution or not?
Yes. SharePoint Online.
SharePoint Online, right?
Yes.
Exchange online.
OneDrive, it's a cloud or on premises?
Cloud. It's a
Cloud.
Cloud.
Cloud, right? So when you have to do automation in all the cloud solutions, so then you will use which kind of automations?
Cloud flow.
Cloud flows, right? Cloud automation. Now suppose you want to do automation in any server, or server is what? Do you know what is server? in layman terms?
No.
Server is also a
Storing
computer, right?
data.
Which is located remotely, isn't it?
Standalone kind of.
Right, guys?
Yes.
So if you have to do any desktop automation, like what you do every day, you go to your organization website, go to your timesheets, add your time and submit it, right? Every day you are doing that.
Yes.
So if you want to automate that task, so then that is a desktop automation, right? So that is called as RPA. RPA stands for
Robotics process
Robotic process
robotics
automation.
process automation.
Automation.
So RPA, if you have to create this desktop automation, then you will use desktop flows. Why I am telling you this specific words, RPA? Why I am telling you all these things? Because RPA is a different job role altogether also. If you want to go ahead and being expert into this Power Automate desktop, then you can compete with these people also. Okay. Can you tell me the RPA tools which are there? Blue Prism, right?
UiPath,
UiPath.
Pega,
UiPath. And you will be
Automation
glad to
Anywhere.
know. Yeah, these are three. You will be glad to know these four are the market leaders in RPA. Okay. Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, and the Power Automate desktop. Okay. So now, guys, there are few other add-on services available in Power Platform. First is Dataverse. So Dataverse is the out-of-the-box cloud database solution which is available with Power Platform. Okay. What is this? Dataverse. It was previously called as Common Data Service, CDS. Now it is called as Dataverse. And you can go ahead and use AI builder capabilities. You can use AI models. This is now called as AI Hub. Okay. Getting me, my dear friends?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so Dataverse is it's a cloud-based data service, or it is
It's the data storage solution which comes out of the box with Power Platform. It's a cloud database.
Okay.
So
Okay.
is that only one for entire one? It is almost a 5 component you told, right?
Yeah, it is the database that can be integrated with any of the component. Even if you want to go ahead and use it in any other data source, then there also it is.
And whose product is that? Dataverse is it?
Dataverse is in Power Platform itself.
Okay.
It's everything is under Power Platform umbrella, whatever you see on your screen.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
So it comes under any of the component, right? Like 5 components it is shown. It can
Yes,
come.
it has integration. It is a data source, guys. SQL. So it does like if you have SQL table, you can go ahead and connect with anything, right?
Yes, got it.
Isn't it?
You mean cloud service?
Got it, got it.
Yeah. So now, guys, is it clear what is Power Platform?
Yes.
Now, guys, you must have seen some job roles. Guys, please be mindful about your mics. It is very irritating for the people who are using headset. Please, when you are speaking, only then come on unmute. Otherwise, please be on mute. Shivanand, I'm muting you. Yeah. Cool. So, guys, you must have seen some job roles in the market called as CRM developer, Dynamics 365, right?
Yes.
So, what are CRM developers? CRM developers are nothing who knows all the stuff that you are able to see on your screen, plus they know how to do JavaScript and plugin implementation. That's it. These two things you have to learn and you can become CRM developer. Again, this course is not a MS CRM development course. This is Power Platform course. You will get everything here which will be required to being a Power Platform developer. Okay. So now by keeping this as a foundation, I will go ahead and quickly walk you through the presentation. You will understand everything. Everything I have explained here. Now I will show you the presentation, what we had, and then I will take questions. Okay. So who can learn Power Platform? First question, very common question, right? That you may have, isn't it? So the guys if you have no coding language and you have experience in some business tools like Excel, like in UiPath, or you are working as a Power BI developer, so then you can go ahead and choose this. If you are switching from non-IT to IT, then also it's a great choice because it involves less coding. Okay. Then if you're switching technologies, now suppose you're already working into SAP, you're already working into some legacy technologies and you want to switch because Power Platform is the trend, right? So that's why now almost 70 people are sitting here in the class, right? Isn't it? You must have heard it, right? That's why you are sitting here, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
So
There are
currently it
many
is
job
hot tech.
openings also.
It is hot tech. I will tell you my previous student offers also. Okay. The recent batch that got concluded yesterday. People are already placed. And I will tell you hike also with names. Okay. So then you have switching tech. If you're switching technologies, it's good thing. If you're fresher, again, like lot of job opportunities in the market. And if you are good developer, you will get it. If you have career gap, this one is the one that I want to give emphasis on. There was a student, okay, in the previous batch. She was having career gap and 8 LPA as CTC. Now she got almost 100% hike with career gap and lead role. Okay. Then cross skilling. Like if you already know Power BI, you want to upskill yourself, this is the great choice. Then what is Power Platform? Do I need to explain you this now? With the flowchart that I created, it must have been what to say engraved in your brains, right?
Yes.
Hello, Indrajit, this is Abhijit Mane.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to the first one slide before this one?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm almost applicable for this slide. First of all, I don't have much non-IT background experience, but I do work on service industry.
Abhijit, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt you. Let me finish this. You can ask this question at the end of the content, okay? Please.
Okay, I'm asking for the reason that I have total 18 plus hours, plus years of experience. Do I really suitable for such a learning or not? And switching to
You
the
will not believe there are few people who were my student. They were of 60 years of age.
Okay.
More than 20 years of experience. I have interviewed people with 25 years of experience. So that is just a number.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is what I want to say for now. And again, I will ask you more questions in the doubt session, and then I will tell you a more relevant answer. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
Cool. So who is Power Platform developer, guys? Who knows Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Power Pages, and interviews who will clear? Obviously, you will get the job. Have you guys observed one thing? I did not what to say emphasize lot on interviews questions, right? Why? Because here our motto is to make you guys self-sufficient developers so that you can go ahead and survive in the job with the real skills. Okay, once you have real skills, all the interview questions and scenarios you will automatically clear. Here the main idea of the course is not having interview questions and clearing the interview. I want you to be a self-sufficient developers. And at the same time, I'm not saying like we are not covering interview questions. We will have dedicated interview sessions where I will ask you questions. You guys have to give me answers, and then we will go ahead and basically optimize the answer and scenarios. Okay. Then this is how the Microsoft certification looks like. So PL 900 is the basic one. Then you have 100. I think it is retired now. So 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. Okay. So these are the certifications which are there. If after this course you have to go ahead and acquire the certification, go ahead and start with this PL 900. This is the basic certification that you can have. Okay.
Okay.
Then
so we can do the certification only once the course is complete, right?
Yes, that is my personal recommendation to you.
Hello, Shivanand is there.
Yeah, Shiva.
Can you go previous slide? Here is the PR 300 Power BI data analyst. Actually, I was a non-IT background. I don't have knowledge. But once course completed here, cloud platform, even Power BI, you are eligible to clear this certification.
Yeah, you are.
Means this overall course completion duration, how much time it will take?
I will cover that. I will cover that. Everything is there in the sequence. Okay. So
Okay.
that's why like I'm not letting you guys ask so many doubts here. Like I will give you time, guys. I will answer each and every doubt. I'm not going anywhere until the doubts are cleared. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So why the Power Platform developer is in demand, guys? What do you think?
Because no coding is required, only even non-technical background also we can start learning. So that is the reason it is in demand. And also we can in this platform we can website automation and process automation, all kind of automations we can do. So that is why it is in
This
demand.
is your perspective, right? Low because no
Shortage
coding, so
of
that's why you are learning. Let
it's
me tell you
integration.
as a business perspective. Okay. Suppose Banu, you are business owner.
Okay.
Okay. You are business owner. You and I am the organization which is providing solution for your business. Okay. You came to me and you said, Indra, this is my requirement. I want to have this my business streamlined. So you tell me how much how much you will charge and how much time it will take. So I told you, okay, Banu, I have a tech stack called as Power Platform, and there is some other tech stack, suppose XY. So here it will take 2 months, and here it will take almost a year. And here, like multiple people are required, dev, tester, and might be DevOps guy, and some other stuff. Here, like might be with 2 developers, we will be able to do. So here might be we will charge you around $100,000, and here might be it can be done in $30K. What you will say, Anu?
Less time consumption, on time delivery. That's what we check.
Apart from time, this is very important thing, right? Money, money, money,
Money,
isn't
yeah.
it?
Yes.
So, being a business owner, people will ask for this solution, right? Even if you will go to buy a t-shirt, right? So, if it is less costly, good product, good demand, so obviously demand will increase, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
So, this is the main reason. So, and everyone wants to get digitally transformed, right? Even if you are a large enterprise organization or a mid-size organization, right? Or a startup. So, and one more thing is like there are very less skilled developers in the market. When I say skilled developers, then I mean to say like who have good knowledge in Canvas app, model driven app, who know how to integrate the products together, how to integrate Power BI in Power Apps, how to integrate Power Automate in Power Apps, how to integrate Copilot with other products. So there are very less people in the market. So that's why it is there. And rapidly growing market. This low code, no code market itself is a rapidly growing market, guys. So you guys can go ahead and check like for with how many percent like this market is growing year on year. It will be more than 20%, guys. 20 plus percent. Okay.
Okay. I think
Don't
from
believe me.
past
Go ahead and check it on Google. Low code,
from
no code
past
market
4
growth.
to 5 years, it has increased rapidly actually.
Yes, it is. I am working on Power Apps when it was preview product. When the URL was make.preview.powerapps.com. I started working on Power Apps when it was in preview mode. It was not even launched. Okay. Then the platform is versatile, right? You tell me the problem, Power Platform has a solution for that, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the snapshot for job opportunity. You can go ahead and check in Naukri like how many jobs are there. Then again, like who is Power Platform developer who knows Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Virtual Agent. You have lot of data connectors, AI Builder, and Dataverse. Now, being a Power Platform developer, guys, what will be your roles and responsibilities? Just expect like you will be involved in the full data, a full software development life cycle. So how the software development life cycle of a product will look like? First thing first, you will be getting requirements, right? Then you will be designing, then you will be developing, testing, deploying, maintaining, and the collaborating with other team member to do the stuff. Now the product is backed by Microsoft. So no introduction is required for Microsoft. There are other product in the market. There are even some organizations which are running only on Microsoft tech stack. So brand backing is very important. So that's why like it is there. Now where we will help you as a KSR Data Vision organization in this your Power Platform journey. So we will provide you almost 80 to 90 sessions, guys. Okay, on Power Platform. And we will provide you almost 6+ real-time projects. And we are first one in the market who will provide you organizational account, which will have a license tagged, as mentioned by Mahesh in the beginning of the class. We will be providing you interview guidance. We have a tool that you have already seen in the beginning of the class, and obviously you will be getting the interview question in the class itself. Then we have placement session, which happen thrice a week, where you can go ahead and join and get your CV reviewed, Naukri profile optimized. Then we will let you know how to behave in the interviews. We have some tie-ups with the company. We will refer you there, or we will let you know there are openings there you can apply. And placement cell I have already mentioned. So the timing of this class will be from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. sharp. Okay. I have hard stop at 7 p.m. So 6 p.m. IST. These are IST timing. You can convert it to your time zones. So from 6 to 6:45, every day we will have content, and 15 minutes we will have doubt session where you can go ahead and ask doubts related to the content to me. Okay. And guys, this is the first and the final session where you are seeing the presentation. Now from tomorrow onwards, we will start with Power BI module, and everything will be project driven. We will learn everything in the class as a problem statement. We will start with the requirement, then we will do the data design, then we will do the project, and we will learn everything in the class with project. Nothing is like I will go ahead and I will tell you, okay, this is Power BI, this is what it will do. It will be like this. And if you join a morning batch is a parallel batch which is running, that is almost 50 to 55% completed. Okay, if you want to join, and there the timing is 8 to 9:30. That is 1.5 hour class, and there the sessions will be between 70 to 80 because the session timing is huge there. Okay. Now, guys, if you have any doubt here as a one-stop solution that you can tell. And before that, just opening the doubt session. Before that, I wanted to tell you like how it will look like. This is the internal sheet that I have for topics with me that I refer. Okay. Yeah, I know you will be having lots of questions. Just hold on for a second. Okay. Your first module will be Power BI, then Canvas apps, then Dataverse plus model driven apps. Then you will have Power Pages. Then you have Power Automate Cloud. Then you will have Power Automate Desktop module. Then you will have Copilot Studio. Then you will have Admin Center and miscellaneous sessions. Okay. And after every module, you will get a frequently asked interview question session. And you will get few doubt session also in the dedicated doubt session in the course. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Now you must have plenty of questions. Go ahead, guys, one by one, and tell me what is bothering you.
Hello.
Yeah, Nadeem.
Yeah. My question is, apart from this Power Platform development, are we going to have a session on the customization of existing modules, which is expectation
That is
of the market?
CRM.
CRM or any other module?
When you say module, what I understand is customer service module, finance module, right? So what is CRM as per you, Nadeem? As you are saying this, so it seems you have experience in that, right? So can you please explain?
Not on the Power Platform Microsoft side, but earlier in my career, I worked on that. For example,
That's what I am
CRM,
saying.
Yeah.
Just
Exactly.
let me complete. So basically, when you say CRM, when you say customization of module, that is nothing but that's a fancy model driven app. We are having a dedicated
That's right.
model driven app module. So there you will be learning how to customize the table, how to create the table, how to customize the forms, views, all those things. Okay.
Okay. But if there is a out of the box module, and if we need to customize in that, are we going to cover some scenario? Will that be
Look,
helpful?
Nadeem, you're not getting me basically. First thing first, you have to clear your concept. What is the difference between module and model driven app? Module is a pre-built model driven, and
I
we will be
understand.
creating it from scratch. So will you not be learning the customizations there? Right. Suppose you're
We'll be
building a
learning the
house.
fresh development.
You are learning the fresh development, that I agree. So I always take this example when I explain people the difference between dynamics and this. So it is as good as buying a house and building a house.
Got it.
Right.
Right.
If you're buying a house or building a house,
There's a
the
difference.
things are same, right?
Huge
Isn't
difference.
it? Cool. Vishwanath has hand raised from long back. Yeah, Vishwanath, go ahead. All the people who have doubts, please raise your hand. I will let you know when to speak.
Yeah,
Vishwanath, are you
Indrajit,
there?
good evening. Yeah, Indrajit, good evening. My first question is, we are covering 6+ projects over there, right? So in this, we are covering all those tools in that project, or dedicate only Power Apps and Power Automate or dashboard only that?
Very good question. So when I say 6+ project, how it will be? We will be creating one Power BI project in the class. One you have to create in the homework. One in the class for Canvas app. One Canvas app you have to create in the homework. One model driven app. One in homework. Then lots of Power Automate flows. Almost 15+ Power Automate flows. One chatbot we will be creating. One you have to create home. So it will be more than. That's why I have written 6+. Okay. And the good part is when we are creating Power Automate flow, it will be very realistic, and the projects are also very realistic when where you are doing the integrations end to end. This will be integrated here. This will be integrated here. It will be entire web. Okay.
And what about the license? We are getting the license for all those tools, or specific for the
All
Power
the
Apps and
tools you
Automate?
will get premium license.
And what is the period for that?
It is included
How
in the
much?
course fee. Course fee is 30,000. If I'm not wrong, it's 30K.
No. I'm not asking course fees. I'm asking the duration. How much time we get the license availability?
Yeah, that is explained by Mahesh in the beginning of the class, right? It will be 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Okay.
1 year, but for Power BI Premium, 2 months, and Pro, 10 months. 2 months more than enough, because Power BI we will be completing in almost 3 weeks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vishwanath, good. You can lower your hand. Yeah, Shivani, go ahead. You are next in the queue. Shivani
Hey,
Sivakumar.
hi. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for your session. I just joined a little bit late, like around after 10 minutes, but when you started the presentation, I was available that time. I just have one question. I'm currently working in a company, so will it be possible to have a recorded session?
Yeah.
Will we? Okay.
Sorry,
Thank you.
I forgot to mention that you will be getting the recordings of the session, and the recording duration is 1 year.
Thank you, Mahesh. That was my question. Thank you.
Cool.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shivanand, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, you told Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate is there.
Yeah.
In Power BI, out of 100 hours, how many classes will be there?
Power BI,
And
you
it
will be
will-
getting almost 80 to 20 sessions. 18 to 20, not 80. 18 to 20.
Okay.
18 to 20.
Because my doubt is, I was a non-IT student,
Okay.
MBA background. So that's the reason I have within 20 hours, everything it will be covered. To switch job, is it sufficient or what? How it will be? I want
Yes.
to know.
Look, Shiva, I totally understand your concern. Okay. But look, you trusted your schools for 15 years, 20 years. You trusted your college for 4 years, right?
Okay.
You have to trust me and just follow whatever I say. If I say go ahead and create a project, go ahead and create it with your heart and soul. Okay. Work hard. You will not regret it. You will get the benefits out of this course for sure. Only thing is, if I am giving my 120% effort and you are not giving even your 80% effort, it will not work. It should be from both sides. Whatever I'm telling you, go ahead and do it. Okay. Nothing will be skipped. You will get more than required things here. Okay. I know, like all of you guys are new to this. You guys are joining the course and all, right? But these kind of doubts will come. But you have to believe and do that. I will not say like you will get disheartened after that. You can go ahead and have read some reviews there on the KSR Data Vision. But again, like I don't want to cross sell or something. This is what I can say. You have to practice the things that we are doing, and you are good. That's it.
Okay, and one more question. Just organization account, it will be, you told Power BI Premium 2 months and Pro is the 10 months is there.
Yes.
That license it will some Power BI service, etc. Access only this group people we can view, or we can discuss some other projects also. We can
it is as
take
good
and
as
work,
you
we
are
can practice.
let me explain. It is as good as you are now part of KSR Data Vision. We will create your credentials. The way you join an organization, right? You will get organization credentials. So similarly, here you will be getting that you have to log in with these credentials. You will be getting the organizational account license, Office 365 license, everything.
Okay. No,
Okay.
because no, I want to learn even Power BI how after joining company, how it will publish your dashboards like that, how it will work wise, how
Everything will
projects will
be
get.
real time. Shiva, everything will be real time. I mentioned it at the beginning of the class itself. Like this is
No,
the
first
first
10
time
minutes
you are
even I
seeing
also
this.
miss. So that's
Yeah,
the reason I
that's
have
fine.
to.
That's fine. Like you will be getting this recording. It is going live on YouTube also. Go ahead and watch it. Even if you have some doubts, go ahead and ask me in the next session. That's why we have 5 free sessions, right?
Okay.
Cool. So there are a lot of more people in the queue. So let me take others out. If you still have, go through the recording. If you still have doubt, do let me know. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, Sylvan, go ahead, please.
Probably, before maybe on tomorrow also, no problem. Just want to know that how the coding would be, because I'm not good in coding, but I learned the Power BI to some extent. Probably that's my little worry on it. If you go to Power Apps and
That
all,
is fine, Sylvan. Like again, I will reiterate that statement again. I am here for that. If you're not getting, I will explain it 10 times. Okay. But at the end of the day, you will get it for sure. But only thing is I need an honest effort from you. You should go ahead and practice the stuff. That's it. Intent is required. Other than that, nothing is required. Intent to learn is required. That's it. Otherwise, everything I will make simple for you guys. Okay.
and if possible, can you show one screen how it looks like apps and all? Not now, maybe
Yeah,
after
tomorrow I will show you all the apps that we have created in the class. That's fine. Okay.
Good idea.
Yeah. Sure. That's why we have 5 free sessions. No worries. You can go through the recording once again, note down your questions, and again, we will do it tomorrow.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Rakesh, go ahead, please. Rakesh, go.
Classes are Monday to Friday, or including Saturday, Sundays?
Monday to Friday it is.
Yeah, Indrajit, so in Power Apps, are we covering REST API calls?
Yeah, we are. I will tell you how to work with REST APIs with Power Automate, and in Power Apps also you can do that. It's just a function. I can tell you that.
I'm asking. I'm like, see, Power Automate, I had some experience. So coming to Power Apps, I'm more concerned about Power Apps. So just I want to. So there was some requirements which I went through in online. So there, in YouTube. So there has been like a REST calls and some customizations based on the conditions.
Yes. So Rakesh, like, look, I'm not just a trainer.
Yeah,
I'm a
I know.
seasoned developer. Okay. So even if you like you raised a very valid point. So in your organization, you are doing this and that, right? So obviously you can go ahead and discuss it in the doubt session in the class. Other people will also get exposure, right? This is how the things will work. So that is fine. I'm okay for that. Like I always help people. And again, like it's a good thing, right? Being an architect, you will challenge me and I will solve it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Indra.
Thank you. Yeah, Pavan Kumar, go ahead, please. Pavan Kumar JM.
Yeah. Thanks, Indra. It's So in this Power Platform, we have almost 6 modules, right?
Yeah.
And how many sessions we have for each and every module?
Again, like this is very what to say, most frequently asked question. Look, session depends on batch. Okay. Suppose if you are performing very good, whatever I'm explaining, you guys are getting it. Might be in your batch, it may take 20 sessions. Might be you people are not responding well. Okay. You guys are asking lots of doubts. So then might be it will take 23 sessions. Right. So you should focus on the content. So all the topics will be covered. Nothing will be skipped. It may take 20 sessions. It may take 23 sessions. It depends on the pace of the batch.
Understood. And may I know the course, like, so this is same, which is similar to my previous questions. Like, what is the course tenure?
Timing is 6 to 7. I have written it here, right? Okay, it's gone. 6 to 7. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. IST.
No. Like, if we start from today, that like
Duration,
we
you are
can
saying?
Yeah.
Duration of the course. That's the question.
Yes.
Duration will be 4 months, you can say roughly.
Okay.
Yeah. 80 sessions, right? 80 to 90 sessions. 20 sessions in a day, Monday to Friday.
Okay. So this is what
20 sessions in a month, not in a day. Okay. Yes. Cool.
And then like how like currently market the AI is booming, right? Like how effective this course
Power
will be.
Platform, you learn the course, update your CV, update the Naukri. Don't get surprised if you will get calls in double digits per day.
Yeah. So like I do have an experience, and I'm a Power BI developer. I have an experience of
Power
almost
BI, to be honest, I can see Power BI next 2 year will be dead. Only with Power BI you can't get a job.
Yeah. So not only in the Power BI, I'm also working in a SQL, and like I'm a business analyst. So
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like this Power BI tech stack, all with this business SQL Power BI. Previously, back in 2020, if you want to enter into IT, you learn SQL and Power BI and you're done, right? But that scenario is gonna get changed. It is already changed, right? Might be your organization already started using Power Platform now. That's why all of you are sitting here, right?
Yeah, true, but they're started heading up with the Power. I mean, the Fabric and the Power Platform.
Yeah, nowadays Fabric is in boom actually.
Yeah, Fabric is what? Fabric is data engineering stuff, right? Synapse.
Yeah,
is
it's
your
good to
Synapse
know.
Analytics, ADF,
Yeah.
Power BI. Yeah.
And then what is the difference between the Power BI, the major Power BI, and we have another Power BI in Microsoft Fabric, and we have same Power BI in Power
Same.
Platform.
It is same. It is an overlapped product in both.
Okay.
Yes, guys. It depends on the what purpose you are using. Knife will be there in the kitchen, and maybe the same knife we are going to be used for killing someone also, right?
Yeah.
The similar way. Power BI there, its main purpose will be analyzing the data. You will be called as a data analyst if you are using Power BI as a full time. But here Power BI will be from Power Platform point of view, basic dashboards and creations. Main work will be on Power Apps and Automate.
Correct. And even in interviews also, you may not get more questions on Power BI. Even very less questions. Okay, I will quickly take questions which are there. I have to like jump back. Might be I will
Yeah, I will
extend
take
till
it,
7.
Indra. Maybe if any technical questions you guys can join tomorrow. Apart from technical, you can shoot any other questions, guys, related to placement. Someone is asking about placement. Today, only one of our student got placed with a 16 lakhs package with a 2 years maternity gap.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
and
I
another
was
guy
telling
got
you with
a
that.
similar again 100% hike. That means 12 plus per lakh package with the ABB. One that lady is in WNS Global. Even 2 years career break also she got a job opportunity.
For how much a year of experience, Mesh?
They have around 4+ years.
Indrajit,
Power Apps related, they shown around 2.5 years.
Indrajit, I have a question. I need to jump for another one. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. I am here. I will be dropping at 7:05. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Indrajit, so in Power BI desktop, what we are learning, so are you going to have a tabular editor as a modeling one? Are you going any
No,
session?
it is not required for a Power Platform developer, Pavan. We will be very relevant here. Like whatever is required for being a Power Platform developer, we will cover that.
Okay. So
Okay.
we are using some modelings in that, so I'm thinking over that if it's helpful.
I know what you are talking about. I have also worked on that when I was working as a data engineer, but it is not required, Pawan, here. So we will not cover the relevant content to make it lengthy or drag it. Whatever is required, being a Power Platform developer, solution architect, we will cover all those things.
Okay, so we are covering all the data sets and those things to.
Yes. Other than that, everything will be covered. If you will ask me, okay, let's cover Power Automate Desktop for RPA, where we will write Python, might be some other stuff and all, right? That is not required. So we don't need. Look, we have to stick to the goal, right? You are here to become a Power Platform developer, so that you will definitely become if you will attend all the sessions and complete all the projects. That I can guarantee you.
Sure. Yeah. Got
Okay.
it. Thank you.
Indrajit? Hello.
Yeah, GK.
Yeah, this is Guna. So I do have one question here. Is 6 plus real-time projects which you are mentioning here, can you list out the projects, kind of sample, what kind of projects you are going to explain, kind of employee attendance, or what kind of projects you are going to cover on this section?
I will show you guys the exact projects that we have developed in the next class. Nothing to worry on that. Okay.
And then real time is fine. Okay. So and then can you share some sample projects where we can edit and the reusable templates if you have
No.
something?
I will not share that. Even if you will pay me 1 lakh rupees, I will not share
No,
that.
I'm not
Why?
asking
Because
about your own.
no. Let me tell you my intention behind that. I want you to start from scratch. I want you to struggle as much as you can in the course so that you are not struggling in the real job. Okay. So
And then or where we can refer those sample templates in the
nothing you have to do, GK. Whatever we are developing in the class, after the class, sit for 2 hours, implement that. That's it. Simple exercise. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Cool.
No, I just want to understand what kind of projects we are going to cover.
That's what I said. I will tell you exact projects what we have developed tomorrow. Like I will start the session with the projects only, what we have developed. Okay.
Yeah.
Rather than talking, I will show you what we have developed. Okay. So guys, I have hard stop. I will be dropping off. So
you can take care. I will tell you guys, like example, I remember one project, particularly for one hospital. That guy also working there. We just guided them. He made in a small application to use internally for a hospital. Hospital, usually we will build application to book a doctor's appointment, right? Instead of a doctor's appointment, their internal application, how many doctors are there in that particular hospital on that particular branch today, how many people they visited, like how many patient's appointment happened, out of that how much revenue they generated, out of each patient how many went to the medical shop, just a medicine only they bought, how many other tests like x-ray, scanning, xyz, after inpatients how many transferred to the outpatient, what is the each doctor made a revenue generation. It looks like a little weird for us, but internally they will verify each doctor how much revenue they are generating. Example, one doctor's appointment costing 1,000 rupees, out of 1,000 how much it will go to the hospital, how much go to the doctor. After that, how much revenue he was making with each patient on average. They will verify these things every month, and they will give the target to the doctors also. This kind of an application we built. Example, I remember this actually. That's the reason I'm telling here. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
So it depends on the companies to company. They depends on their requirement. We will use the Power Application and we will do some automation. Okay. So we're too much technical. Tomorrow your Indra will guide you. Like he will show some projects which he handled previously. Okay. Example, let me share my screen. I'm just checking in my LinkedIn. Some of our students will post frequently. I will show you one. Yeah. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
So he made a small application, something by using Canvas apps. You can see it's a very basic level. Okay, these are a couple of our students. Okay, you can check it like all these things. Even you guys also will start your placement from my point of view the day one. That means today we can consider. So today what your trainer explaining, try to make it as a small post in your LinkedIn. Similar way, next 4 months, if you are doing, by 4 months, your profile looks like a platform developer or Power Platform, Power Apps developer or Power Automate developer, Power Platform developer. If any recruiter looks at your profile also, it should be looks like this. Every post, it looks like in a platform point of view. Then it will become easy for you to get more opportunities. Okay. Example, couple of our students I will show. Yeah, consider her. She was into the data science. You can see all her posts related to the data science only. Where her post, yeah. Previously, another students from Power Apps and Power Automate point of view. Right? Similar way, we will guide you how to post in LinkedIn on each topic. Indra is handled one project, one task today. So we are going to be make similar kind of post in our LinkedIn also. We are going to be try to explain that same concept here. Okay. So all these are our students' portfolio, some of our students. Okay.
Well, sir, my name is Abhijit Mane. I have some doubts.
Yeah, Abhijit.
Yes, sir. Actually, I would like to tell you about my background. Actually, I'm a mechanical engineer and having experience around 18 plus years in manufacturing plus service industry. So majorly into the service industry.
Okay.
And if I learn this Power Platform, how will it be benefit to me?
Yeah.
Will
Example,
I
may I
switch
know
to
the which
the
manufacturing sector you worked so far?
earlier? I have 5 years of experience in auto sector and then agriculture. Just now from the agriculture.
Okay. Which kind of auto sector it is?
It was like MNC who were supporting to the dashboard system manufacturer.
Dashboard system?
Cars, yeah. Dashboard manufacturer.
Okay. So what kind of dashboard? Dashboard in the sense I didn't get.
Dashboard means clusters and whole informatic system, you can say like that.
Computers only, like displays or screens or something?
No, she's talking about a car dashboard, infotainment.
Card, yeah.
Okay. Imagine the same thing. So internally, any company, they need some software technologies also, right? We will say for that same company, we worked as a Power Apps developer. Anyway, one company is there means their sales will be there, right?
Yes.
Sales means like we do some analysis also. We will make it like a sales dashboard. We created sales related dashboard. Apart from that, by using Power Automate and apps, maybe in the manufacturing sector, anyone deep manufacturing sector, there is a two kind of stock to order, make to order. Anyone know about this?
Yes, we are calling differently.
So some,
but it is like that, yeah.
Yeah, we will keep it as a stock before getting order also. We will call, I guess, a stock to order, right? Something.
Yeah, mount to order.
Another case, once we got the order, then only we will prepare some kind of product.
Yes,
right?
Correct.
Example here, we will take an example. You are planning into the different way, like we will take the client's requirement, then you will prepare your production manufacturing. First, you have a couple of clients across the globe. We both are using similar kind of a small application you build. Abhijit will give us this application to all the 10 clients. Once the 10 clients, when they need their order, they will fill the form there. Automatically, it will be updated in application. It will trigger by Power Automate. Then your people will start manufacturing that product. Once done with the manufacturing, again, we are going to be shipped to them and we are updating in our application, and the payment, how much pending is there, it automatically will update. Once payment is done, we will get it will be integrated in our application. Then we will show how much payment is done from your client. By using Power Apps and Automate, these kind of tasks also we can do. By using the same Power BI, by end of the year, how much sales happened for your entire dashboards, car manufacturer dashboards, and which client made a major and which client made a minor. What is the average cost for you?
Yeah, Mahesh sir, that is fine. I'm not talking about the learning, and I'm just talking about how I cope up with my experience and whether I will get
That's
job
what I
or
told
not.
you. As of now, we can able to cope up with your previous experience in Power Apps and Automate. We can showcase the same experience into the Power Apps and Automate. We will prepare this kind of application now, and we will say, I used to work with these kind of projects in my previous company.
Okay.
You got it, right?
Yeah, got it now.
Instead of making fake experience, we are going to be prepare similar kind of work for you. You did for a different roles and responsibilities earlier. But now for the same company, same client, we will try to make this kind of a dummy project from your side. You can replicate the same thing in real time. The same thing we are showcasing in your resume.
Okay, fine. Got it now. But is there any Means age problem, because I am already 42 plus years of years.
So
Yeah.
your total current package, may I know, sir?
10 plus.
Okay. So usually age problem where it comes, maybe they will expect like a lead roles, handling a team,
Okay.
not just as
Yeah.
an entry level jobs again.
Correct.
Because of your total experience, they will consider, even you are very new to the Power Platform, but they will consider your total experience. They will assume you may handle a team. So along with the
Yeah.
technical concept, you have to be prepared for managing a team. Be
Okay.
confident with that. While giving any interview also, your answer should be in a confident way. Even it's wrong
Okay.
or right.
Okay.
Then they will consider. Example, sir, like compared to your manager less than your age, right? They will have a fear to hire you. They will assume like
Correct.
controlling you may be difficult.
Yes.
This is
So
a
that's
individual
why,
perspective.
yeah.
Like companies don't have this age issue, but individual while hiring, right? That your team leader manager will have fear like to hire you. Abhijit can able to work under me. If I can't say anything to him, if he was not able to work properly, also he was a very older than me. Something these kind of personal things only. Companies don't have any age issue.
Okay.
One of
So,
my
but
manager is
there.
working at 64 years age.
Okay, so what is the
Right.
probability if I learn all this thing, do the hard work and all this thing,
Good
and
thing will be
will
Power
I get?
Platform. I will tell you one thing. Compared to other
Okay.
things, Power Platform advantage will be supply issue, demand and
Okay.
supply issue. You know this better in the manufacturing sector also.
Yes.
When we
Yes.
have a more demand and less supply, obviously that product will sell easily.
Okay.
Example, tomato price. Anyone know about this tomatoes price? Sometimes it will go for 100 rupees. Sometimes it will go for 1 rupee.
Yeah, 4 rupees around.
4 rupees. Example. It's a demand and supply issue.
Okay.
When we have a more demand but no supply.
Okay.
When demand is there but supply double than the demand, then obviously the price is no more.
Yes.
Right? Power Platform good opportunity will be very less supply. Very few people are available in the market who knows Power Platform.
Okay.
If anyone working in Power BI, maybe you are already facing this issue. Your client, your company is asking to work on Power Apps and Automate. Anyone guys here? That's kind of situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan, okay, you are already working in Power BI?
Yes, I do.
So your company is saying to learn Power Apps and work on Power Apps or something?
It's not about the dependency. Like, I just want to learn this Power Apps and related to Power Automate, because there is a chances of, for example, I've almost worked 3 to 4 projects. In all of the projects, they are giving more priority to the who are using the Power Apps and the Power Automate.
Exactly.
So that's why I just want to get into that field, and I need to understand what exactly it is. There will be a chances because in the future, if the project has been wrapped up on the Power BI, I need to move for another
Exactly.
the supported
When you
role,
have
right?
a Power Apps in your resume, it will be easy for you.
Yes.
Most of the dashboard is directly connected to app database nowadays. I mean the Power App database. So Power App also required for us to understand how it is. I mean to say that Power BI dashboards are directly connected to Power App SQL Teradata. Likewise, I'm getting some scenarios. So the reason I thought to ask him how many projects, what are the kind of projects you are doing inside.
Exactly.
This is the
Exactly.
scenario we have in the market. However, he is going to start with some sample project was created by the students. By tomorrow, we will discuss about that.
Okay. Yeah. So other technicalities, maybe we can, like Indra will explain tomorrow as well. You can able to check it there. And opportunities will be very huge in the market now. I can strongly
To crack jobs in Microsoft Power Platform.
Yes. Unfortunately, yes. Why I said unfortunately, very soon it may become very competitive. Everyone can learn easily.
Okay.
I will
From
tell
when
you one
is this,
story, ma'am. Around 8 months back, we came to Hyderabad Microsoft office to conduct a workshop on platform in an offline event. Meanwhile, I observed a guy like around 10 to 12 years, I guess. I felt bad about him. His parents taken him to these kind of events. After a couple of minutes, he approached me, Mahesh, my project also on the same thing, my task also. I didn't understand 2 minutes. Then later, that organizer introduced me. He was a guest lecturer. He was studying 8th standard in Hyderabad, one school. He was using Power Apps and Automate for his projects.
Okay.
How that is our next generation. Maybe anyone have kids more than 2nd, 3rd standard here. Python already started teaching in their schools. Most of the international schools, they are teaching robotics from the grade 1.
So if you with constant practice, it is easy to crack
Yes,
jobs
very
in
easy,
our
very
platform.
easy, very easy.
Mesh,
Coding stuff.
Yeah, Pawan.
Mesh, for me, it's I'm in the hot seat of Power Automate and Power Apps. Daily, I need to learning from Udemy and implementing here.
Yes.
So it's I need to do paginate reports, Power BI, SAP reports, everything, and again, so it's critical for me. In that, I need to do a certification as well.
Power
It's
Platform certification you want to? Yes, you can able to.
Power PL 300 or PL 600. Any
PL
one
300 is Power BI related actually.
Yeah, any one I need to do.
Yes, you can able to. I can help
So-
you with even sometimes we will get some coupon codes also almost free or else at least 50%. When the coupon codes available, I will let you know. You can able to.
So I'm having a deadline on this part. So I
Oh,
need to
when?
prepare. March 15th is a deadline for me.
Okay. Already you are working on Power BI?
Yeah, I'm working on Power BI.
Then I
and,
can help you with some things and you can able to write PL 300. But Power Platform, once you completed course, then only you can able to. PL 900, it's the fundamentals actually. You can able to make it PL 900 also.
Okay,
But
I
after course
can.
completion.
Yeah, if you're helping me on PL 300 or any
PL
guidance.
300, we will guide you. We have some material also. I can guide you.
So okay.
And before going to actual test, you can make some dummy test, and for sure you can clear Pawan. It's not a big deal. PL 300.
Okay.
And Mahesh, one more thing. By May, will the course get complete?
From now onwards, it's a 4 months. It's a Feb, right? Yeah, March, April, May, and June. June mid. April and June first week we can finish it off.
Okay, so once after the class, we will get the apps we can try in our personal laptop we can log in.
No. Day Power Apps tomorrow onwards Power BI. By day after tomorrow, trainer going to be explain how to install Power BI in machine. After Power BI installation, we are going to be practice parallel. It's not like a theory first and later practice. Parallel it will run.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, he was going to be explain installation of Power BI.
Okay, and the recording session will be where
This session will be recorded and you can able to watch each class after class completion. Let me show you even that. Let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see my screen. Just give me a second.
Yes.
So you can just go to the Google and search for KSR Data Vision. Or else if you are using mobile, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for KSR Data Vision. You can able to get an application. Let me share my screen now. Let me know once you are able to see the screen. You are able to write?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we can able to.
Yeah. You are able to see, right? Go to our website.
Yeah, Mahesh.
Okay. Click on login. So if you are first time, create a new account. Okay, you can click here and you can give your email ID. I have account already. Maybe it won't allow me. It will show you have already account. If it is the first time, create an account. Okay. My email. Okay. Maybe I have multiple courses. Don't get confused. While showing every demo, maybe I have multiple courses in my bucket. So for you, just click on courses, upcoming sessions. Where it is Power Platform. Yeah, this is our Power Platform course. Click here. First 1 week classes you can able to access from here. I already enrolled. That's the reason it's showing as access. Usually for you, it will show enroll now for free. Click here. It will redirect to my course. Okay. This is the course curriculum you can able to download from here. Okay, total plan for 90 days. What topic we are going to be cover each day, we are going to mention here in the Excel file. You can see each topic. Day 1, day 2, what will be, day 3, what will be. Okay, after the projects, how many projects we are going to be handle. Okay, resume making, guest lectures, career grooming, LinkedIn session is a separate, and placement cell session I will conduct every alternate day. Monday at 11 o'clock, Wednesday at 4 o'clock, and Friday at 7 p.m. After course completion, next 2, 3 years, 4 years also you can join. You need any additional support? So Mahesh, I'm not getting call. Yes, it's my responsibility to get in a call to you. Okay. So this is the content and the sessions. Click here on the session. This is the class currently running. These are previous demos actually. That's the reason you are able to see here. You can see the current session. Once live is completed, right? Similar way it show as a class completed and play recording. Today's class still going on. That's the reason it's showing as a join now. Once this completed, maybe if I completed by 7:30, 8:30, you can able to see the play recording. Click here in the play recording. The record will play. Okay.
Okay. You said something, you didn't get a call. I didn't understand
Yeah.
that. What?
If you are not getting calls, means job opportunities, interview calls.
Okay.
It's my responsibility. We will conduct a placement cell every alternate day. For all the last 3 years batches, I will send the links. Even if any old people still after getting placed again, they are changing the opportunities or something, they can approach me. I guess any student in this batch also, any old student are there who completed course previously in Power BI or any other course?
Yes, I do, Mahesh. I'm an old batch. 2022.
Name? Sorry, your name?
Pawan.
Pawan. Okay. Which batch, Pawan?
2022 Power BI and SQL and Power BI and SQL currently.
Okay. Yeah. Similar kind of like after Power BI, they may join for Power Platform, they may join for data science or data analytics, depends on their requirements. Students will join. At that time, if they call, yes, what are the support I can able to, we will provide them. Okay. Very few institution guys, the student will rejoin after 2, 3 years for the different courses. Proudly, I can say.
Okay. So most of them are getting placed.
Most of them, yes. Last year we tracked everything. Around 67% people got placed. And who informed me? Some people they won't inform one. So until unless they are having any issue or small query, they will call me and Mahesh. Today I got 2 calls. Both got jobs in Power Platform. Issue will be their joining date. Maybe there are few more people who didn't call me.
Okay.
So like just to add to it, Mahesh, to all. So I am the example because previously I was also working as a data analyst, but I need to build all the dashboards in the Excel. So I need to, coop up. So that's why that's how I got a chance to learn something with the Santosh and the Mahesh. So after that, I directly jumped into the other company. So they have given like Mahesh and Santosh has given a well built up course. Notes and the support for to crack another level interviews. So that's how I got almost 4 opportunities for the same, to the different level of companies. Okay.
Thank you, Pawan. You informed at that time or not yet?
Yes, I did, but unfortunately, unfortunately, I didn't get a chance. I was thinking to take this Power Apps and Power Automate course from the last 1 year. But now I got a chance, and so that's now I pitched into this project.
Sure, Pawan, we'll work together again.
I have one doubt also.
Yes, you are.
Srinivas, yeah.
Yes, Srinivas, tell me, sir.
Since I guess someone has asked, but I just wanted to confirm once more. Like since it is like we see more and more and AI and automation is coming up. Like we have heard about the vibe coding also. There is no programming languages required. So I just wanted like for the next 5, 10 years or in the future, how well this Power Platform developer or the jobs will sustain.
So every technology during the transition period, right? New skills will come and we just need to be adopt the new skills, sir. I will tell you an example. Srinivas, you are from which part of India?
Bangalore, Karnataka.
Bangalore. So maybe in Bangalore we can't see any rickshaws, that man-pulled rickshaws. I given this example into a couple of sessions. Again, I'm giving. You didn't see any rickshaws now, right?
Yeah.
The man pulling rickshaws. Still in North India, Bengal and some Kashi, those kind of places, still we can able to see those kind of rickshaws now. We'll come to the Bangalore point of view only, Southern India. We can't see any rickshaws now, right? May I know reasons, Srinivas?
Because it's a developed here in the Bangalore.
No, not about
IT
developed.
industry.
Technical point of view, we will discuss why there is no
Ola, Uber came now.
not Ola, Uber, autos.
Autos, yes.
Autos, that is a motor autos, right? So autos came to the picture. Imagine I'm a guy who are a rickshaw employee around at 20 years back. I have my own rickshaw, but it's a manpower rickshaw. When autos entering into the picture, I am not updated to the auto. Shall I run my family?
No.
So obviously people will go for the motor auto. They won't come to the ride on my rickshaw, right? Then I will lose my job, right? A job in the sense not just joining in a company and getting in a salary. Obviously, getting an income isn't a job we can consider, right? Then autos enter into the picture. When I am not upgrading to buy an auto, I will lose the job. I'm not upskilling. At least I don't have money to buy a new auto, but at least I have to learn how to ride an auto. Then I can able to work for someone else, right? Srinivas, imagine this is two things is enough, but we'll go to the some southern North Karnataka in a local town or something. There, from there we came to just Bangalore now. In North Karnataka or else rural areas, kind of Ballari or else some other North Karnataka part, we are just keeping our auto in the center and we are just people will come and they will take the share auto, right?
Yes, sir.
Will the same happen in Bangalore, Marathalli or else Electronic City or Silk Board?
No.
No.
What we have to do, we need to update to Ola, Uber and Rapido. So this generation change not only for the software people, auto wala also will face.
So in this sense, like technically when it comes to Power
Upskilling and
Platform,
updating is the evergreen. Maybe even after a couple of years, compared to Power Platform, there is maybe some other new tool maker. Example, the Copilot is similar kind of work is doing. What compared to the earlier Power Base, some basic kind of reports, Copilot will make it easily. We just need to upskill ourselves.
But is it easy to learn overall all this Power BI?
I will give another example, Banke. So I'm just asking in our 10th standard, what's your score?
I know, 85.
85. All your classmates got 85?
No.
How many people failed?
Maybe 10 to 15 people.
So the 10 to 15 people failed, like 10th class is very tough.
Yes.
Maybe someone got even 95.
Yes.
They felt very easy for them.
Working hard. They might work hard, yeah.
It depends on every two people will feel some topics will be very easy, some people will felt very tough. It's an individual perspective. But personally, I can say compared to data engineering, compared to Azure, Power Platform is easy subject for now. But it's my perspective. Maybe after 4 months, Mahesh, you said it's very easy, but I joined your course. I felt it's very difficult. Right?
I have a question, Mahesh. Because whoever are joining the Power Platform, maybe having some experience with the Power BI, right? Like
Yes.
how would maybe reducing the session or like starting something with the Power Apps would make us?
No, it's a Power BI. We are starting with the Power BI basics, not directly with the apps. Here,
Yeah, like how about starting the Power Apps first?
No. Because the Power BI will be the basics, then Power Apps. One by one, we have to be go. Even Power Apps onwards also you can join. But Power BI, the basic reports we will start. Some people who are knows Power BI already, just 10-15 days you need to bear this. Power BI, it's not a very too much subject, very basic onwards. 10 to 15 days we will teach Power BI first. Then we will take a Power Apps also. And we will take admission from Power Apps onwards as well. Because some people knows Power BI already. So it's not mandatory to learn Power BI first. That's the reason we will take second level admission after 1 month, 20 days. Mostly in the March 10th or something, we will start from Power Apps onwards. That we will take a new admission for the same course.
So is
Just
it like
want to
in
know,
every
do we have
classes?
anything?
Yeah, here all the 4 tools will be work individually. So there is no logic. Power BI is mandatory to learn Power Apps actually. Parallelly, we can learn if required. So Power BI is a different tool. Power Apps is a different tool.
Mahesh, am I audible?
Yes, Diksha, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. I just want to know, do we have any course about the Fabric as well?
Yes, we have Fabric is become a common subject actually across the data analytics, data engineering. We have a Fabric as one of the topic. Fabric is a cloud environment. It's not a separate course. Within Fabric, we can do data analytics. You no need to be install Power BI in your local machine. Directly go to the Fabric, log into the Power BI and do your job. Go to the Fabric environment, log into the Python and do your task. This is how Fabric will work. Actually, only Fabric, we conducted a 3 days workshop for free. It's almost 16 hours content. 15 to 16 hours. It's a free. It's just go to our KSR YouTube channel, search for a Fabric bootcamp. You will get 15 hours. It's a more than enough, not required any more than that. As of now, maybe in future any new concepts came. Yes, we will conduct one more workshop.
Yeah, actually, Mahesh, I'm a Power BI developer and I have also completed Fabric certification as well. But the thing is, I'm looking for a good experience and hands-on, like project where I can just practice. So thought to just ask you.
Yeah, those projects is available in our YouTube channel also. 3-day workshop we conducted. Let me share my screen
I
again.
will check. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But it is not included in Power Platform, right? Fabric
Fabric is not required. It's a data people required, data analyst and data engineers.
Okay.
You can see this is the 3.5 hours for our day 1. Day 3 also 5 hours on day 3. Okay, day 2, it's come around 3 or 3.5 hours. That license what we are giving, right? The same license you can use for Fabric also. If you join for Power Platform, we will provide you Microsoft license, right? You can activate for Fabric also. Data Power Platform you can learn live, and the Fabric Bootcamp you can go with our records, and the license you can activate and you can use for a real-time project experience. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, team? Monica, Naveen, you have anything?
I have one more, like regarding about this
Yeah, hi,
skills.
Mahesh.
Yeah, 1 second, Naveen. Srinivas is here. Srinivas,
Yeah.
tell me,
So
tell me.
along with the Power Platform, like we can learn more about the because it's completely related to Microsoft, like Azure also, right? So having a knowledge extra of ADF or Azure Data Factory or Blob Store or something will
That's
be
the
a
data
good.
engineering we are teaching end to end. That comes for around 6 months actually. Only you need a basic of Azure. Yes, we will have another session on ADF and Fabric. Maybe next month we will start. Who knows Power BI? Those people can learn that Azure and Fabric. It's around 1 month. Only Azure and Fabric, complete Azure and Fabric from data analytics point of view. The Azure related stuff, Fabric, Azure Data Factory and some Databricks point of topics will cover in that curriculum. If you want, you can add it. Yeah. Yeah, Naveen, you can tell me, sir.
Yeah, Mahesh. I heard after the completion of Power BI, we need to learn SQL also. No need.
No, SQL is required for a data analyst. For Power Platform, not mandatory. If you want to become a data analyst, right, SQL is mandatory.
Okay.
But Power
in this
Platform
Power
point of view,
Platform, we
SQL is
have
not
Power
required.
BI, Power Apps.
Power BI, just as a Power BI, the usage of Power BI is different. Dashboard, only basic dashboards, it's not required. Power BI developer is different, data analyst is different. I will tell you in simple way. Data analyst can be Power BI developer, but only Power BI developer, we can't consider him as a data analyst.
Okay.
Example, you have a small data and you are just pulling into the Power BI and making a dashboard. Yes, done your work. But complete data analyst, right? Collecting the data, cleaning the data and tables creation, everything he will take care end to end. Their SQL is mandatory for them.
Yeah. Why? Because I am already joined in our institute Power BI and SQL. That's why I'm
That one
worried about.
SQL is required, but platform people not mandatory.
Okay.
Their job main into the Power Apps, sir. Power BI and all also supporting task actually. Main work will be Power Apps and automate.
Okay.
But if you go to only for Power BI profile, so it's
This course is
completely
one source.
DAX queries all will be there.
DAX also will teach here basic, but I can say Power, if you need to become a Power BI developer, honestly, this course won't suit you. We can have one more session, full stack Power BI or data analytics with Power BI and Fabric in morning 8 o'clock. You can opt that course.
Oh, this is basically for Power Apps.
Power Apps and Power Platform. Yes, Power Apps and Power Automate.
Or Power Apps developer or Power
Power
Automate
Apps developer, platform developer also. Even Power Platform developer curriculum point of view also, there is no Power BI heavy level. Up to basic charts and dashboard creation and 4 or 5 DAX queries. That's it.
In that case, we no need to worry about the coding, right?
Sorry, I didn't. Coding, that's what Power Platform tagline will be: no coding, low coding, right?
Yes.
The
Even if you
tagline
get
is
job, if for suppose I'm 9+ years of experience, if I get job as a Power Platform developer, Power Platform, So there will be no much coding, right? Like only Power Apps or Power Automate related projects we will get.
It's after experience, right? They are not only looking for the technical subject here. They will expect you to lead a team. More into the business centric, understanding the client requirement and explain to your team and work with them and finish the task and deliver them back. After 6 to 7 years experience, you slowly have to be pull out your shoes and keep it in the managing the task also.
Yes.
As a lead level, you have to be understand after 5 to 6 years of work experience. Up to 5 years, yes, completely technical subject, either coding or non-coding. But after that, you have to be work as a technical stuff and managing stuff also.
Okay. Basically, this course for app development.
Our platform developer, we can say Power Apps and Power Automate.
Okay. So Power BI is that Daxon, that is separate courses.
Example how it works means the hospital example I given, right? There we build an application initially, right? For the doctor's appointment and all. After that, we are making automate. Example, anyone doctor is on leave on that day, we need to be automate there. Or else once doctor came, example, consider Bhanupriya, you are a doctor and I'm patient. I came to here and I taken your appointment and paid the fees and you given some medicines to me. Automatically, this medical slip will go to the medical store. Or else you given some prescription, or else you given some test. Automatically, the test related information will go to the lab, the hospital lab. In the hospital, they made test and they given the report. It will update automatically by using Power Automate. It will show in my profile and Bhanupriya can, as a doctor, you can see my details. Then you will prescribe. All this information by end of the month or else end of the day, Bhanupriya tested around 10 patients. Out of 10 patients, she given directly prescribed only medication. Out of this medication, she made a 10,000 of revenue. By using Power BI, we are going to be make a dashboard there. Here, very simple, right? End of the day, the hospital owner need revenue. Whatever its patient is suffering.
So the very less coding thing, or only without coding experience,
no
we can
coding.
develop.
Obviously, there is no coding here. Very less. Anyway, 1 or 2 queries, maybe DAX functions, those also you can buy it and you can work on it.
Hi, Mahesh.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah, can we get the Copilot Studio sections in this course?
Yes, Copilot is a part of this course.
Yeah, so like how we can use the AI and Copilot for the Power Platforms like that.
Exactly, sir. That's a trainer will teach you. That's the reason we mentioned as a AI Power Platform with AI.
Okay.
Copilot Studio is a part of this course. Previously, Copilot called as a virtual agents actually.
Yeah.
Now it's changed name. We are covering Copilot. Before that also we were covering as a virtual agent. Now name changed, it's Copilot.
SharePoint online also included in this course?
SharePoint and Dynamic 365 is the integration part. We can't cover entire SharePoint course here. We will cover only the integration part from platform point of view. Example, someone is working on SAP. The integration we can, but entire SAP, the module is different.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Any questions, team? Or else we'll meet tomorrow. Same link, whatever the link you use it today, same link you can use, or else you can log into our website or application. There also you can join the live class. This class will be recorded and it's available in our website. Also, now it's streaming in YouTube as well. First 5 classes will stream in YouTube also. And YouTube and LinkedIn. There also you can able to watch the class.
Hello.
Yeah, Shivanand.
Sir, can I get your contact number? After class, I want to connect with you.
Sure, sir. I'm texting here. You can take it. I'm texting to you. Yeah, I sent you, sir.
Sir, can you send me also, Mahesh?
Yeah, let me share in here. If I'm not able to connect with all today, you guys can call me tomorrow. I will be available.
Sure.
Can you send me to also?
Yeah, I sent in the everyone. You can see in the chat, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions, team?
Thank you, sir. Right now we don't have
Thank
any questions.
Thank you for the speech.
Yeah. So we'll meet tomorrow. You can use the same link, guys.